Hello everyone. So today I want to do another build along, which is to build a crawler to grab the stock price information, including the increase or decrease percentage and stuff. The motivation is I used to use Robinhood, for example, stock trading, but also I do options sometimes. But when you do option, sometimes the price can vary a lot. And since I don't have time to pay attention to the option price all the time, I'm thinking of to build a crawler just to grab the information about the stock and the related option price from the website. For example, every hour or every half an hour, just send me a price on the laptop I use, so I can still see those information while I'm working on my own laptop. And I think Robinhood has similar features, like they can send you notification when the stock price reach, for example, 52-week high or low. But I think if I can figure out a way to do a crawler, it is more flexible. I can customize it whatever way I want. And eventually I can use this method to build not only for stock, for example, housing price, also important notification. Yeah. And the method I'm using is basically what we call a generative, right? We can use AI. Like we have an idea, but we don't know how to build it. Then we just ask AI. And in this video, I've used Gemini. And then ask Gemini to tell us what to do. Hopefully we can build the crawler that we want. The tools we use today is Gemini, or you can use other AI, right? ChatGPT, Perplexity, or DeepSeek, whatever. And we need a Python, which is the IDE for Python, and we need to install Python. I'll add a link in the description on how you can download those apps. Yep. Now let's start to work on it. And how about we just ask Gemini first, what is crawler? Can you introduce me what is a website crawler? Yeah, it's right. It's usually called a web spider or spider bot. You can, primary purpose is to index the content of website for like search engine like Google, Bing and stuff. And how it works, we begin a set of known URL, okay, of course, which is website. And following links, okay. We need to provide the hyperlinks, okay. And then crawler will read the content, inserting content, and okay, respect the website robot.txt file, okay. I think we don't need to know what it is. The code Gemini provided us should already follow that. Yeah, I want to build this crawler, but I don't know how to do it. And I just have a general idea. So I want Gemini to give me a solution that can help me achieve my goal. Okay. I think AI is always so encouraging. It always starts with, oh, this is an interesting project. Okay. So we need specific stock tickers, preferred data source. Okay, there's a lot of information. Basically, we need to give it the stock tickers and preferred data source. Maybe I think Yahoo Finance, Google Finance will work. And specific data points required. Yeah, I think that's basically we need the current price. Maybe I also want the increase or decrease percentage. Options. Yeah, okay. Let's answer the question one by one. Now I want to check PDD, for example, Apple and Tesla. I will also provide a list of options that I to general data source that is available to public is enough, like Yahoo Finance, maybe. 3. What's the other question? Data points. Okay, for stock, I want to know current price, change of percent in, a day. We can always customize this, but that's what I want for now. And for stock options, the same idea. For maybe hourly, 5. I can just display in console for now. This is all the information I gathered. And also I want to ask in courtesy, do you need other information too? Oh, it directly give me Python code. Okay, I already opened Python. Let's create a new project. And toy stock crawl. Let's create a new Python file. grab.py. Okay, let's paste. Let's try to run it. Okay, I need to install the package. Okay. Let's ask Gemini first. Basically, I want to ask Gemini first all the packages I need to install. Looks like only the Y Finance. Okay. Go to terminal here. Let's pip install Y Finance. Okay, let me run it. Yeah, I see the information, current price, options, the options I have, the list I provided. One day, yeah, that's what happens with option. The one day change is insane. Okay, I think it works. I think looking at the console is not as good. I want to have a window, a pop-up window to show me all the information. Yes, I want Gemini to modify the code that I want to have a pop-up window to show all the information. Okay, let's just copy the code and go to Python, just update the code and rerun it. Okay, it does have a pop-up window and yeah, the font is small. Yeah, but I think it doesn't look good. Let me ask Gemini to improve the UI design. Font to be bigger. So I want Gemini to improve its UI design. I want the font to be bigger, and I want to have a link next to all the stocks that I can click and go to the Yahoo Finance page, or maybe they can give. I want to check on the price or check on that. Yeah, that's what I want. Let's see what Gemini can do. Okay, here's improved code. Let's try it. So first, let me close it. Let me look at this for now. Okay, this is the window right now. Yeah, let's turn it off. Let's copy paste. And see what's the new window it created. Oh, okay. Here's an error message. Yeah, just copy paste. Let's don't really look at what happened. The code has error message. Common compatibility issue. Okay. It can give us some suggestions. It asked me to change some part of the code, but I'm lazy. Yeah, I'm just asked Gemini to give me the full corrected code. Let's see the new UI. Oh, okay. Yeah, it is bigger. But still no link for me to click. Okay, I guess maybe that's too much to ask, maybe? I don't know. But for me, this is good enough. To be honest, I don't really want to click on the link to go to Yahoo Finance. And most likely if I want to make some trade, I just log into my Robinhood account. Yeah. Okay, I think this is good for me now. So now we can run the Python file. And then proceed give us the window shows the information we want, but we don't really will open the Python to run the script every time. So we want to make it into an app. Okay, I mentioned the first method is PyInstaller. In my other video to build a file organizer, basically rename the random name file and stuff, or clean duplicated download files. But I heard in Mac, we have a better way. I am using a Mac. Can I use Automate? It is like I heard my friends mention in Mac, you have an option that you can use an automated to basically create a shortcut of yourself. And yeah, introduce what Apple's Automator is. It's a built-in application designed for creating workflows. Yeah, okay, can explore that more with Mac. Okay, this still Python script you can create. Okay, open. Yeah, I will try this. Just shows me all the things I need to do. Oh, this is automate. Okay, workflow. We need the application. Okay, we can. Let me resize the window. What should I do? I need to make a name. Is it? Okay, alright. Open it. Choose application as document type. Drag run action into the workflow area. Document type. Drag and run shell script. Run shell script. Okay, you see run shell script. Okay, and then we need to put this name there, right? Set the shell to user being Python. Okay, it's user being local Python. Okay. And then what? And in the script box, we need to put this. Okay, we need to look at my path. Okay, it looks like it worked. But it's still running. I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, it's created. Nice. Now we want to save it. Okay, how do I save it actually? Stop. We want to stop to run it. Okay. We want to save. Yeah, just save it. Start. Crawler. Save. Where did I save it? Where did I save it to? Desktop. Oh, I don't want iCloud to be honest. Fine, I can't find it. I'm so bad at using Finder. Ugh. Never mind. Let's see. I will try to make this shortcut into, or make this automator into a shortcut. Let's open shortcut. Shortcuts. Okay, this is all the shortcuts. And then we open the settings. Make sure we allow it to run running script. Okay, then we close it. Then I need to find the file I just created. Okay, nice. Okay, let's open shortcuts. Let's move this in here. Let's start crawler. Yep. Put it on top. And we want it to be in menu bar. Then we can open it, but let's run it here. Oh, it does show in the menu bar, but it's too, I cannot show the screen here, but I think I will change the sharing and see it. And now, okay. So basically now we can, it's already saved to the menu bar. And then whenever we want, we just put it in the menu bar. And whenever you want, we just click on the menu bar and we can generate the information we need. See, it's already here, the stock crawler we created, which in the shortcuts. We click it and it'll start running the script and generate the information we need. So it's nice. As long as it's here, it can send us notification every hour. Yeah, nice. I think that's capture what I want to do for today's build alone. And I think there's definitely ways to make it better. For example, we don't want hourly notification. We want to be like whenever there's a 1 day percentage change bigger than 5%, you send you a notification and it pop up. So I'll be keep running it. Yeah, or we can make the UI nicer. Yeah, and I think this crawler can be useful for many things. Like we can use to capture important notifications from a certain website. For example, if I was a student, I may want this crawler to be able to capture the notification on the department website. There's a lot of possibilities. Thank you. That's all I want to share in this session. And let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. And if you have any questions or any topics you want to discuss, let me know. I'm happy to discuss it with you. And also, if you have any other interesting project ideas you want me to explore with you, let me know in the comments too. I'd like to explore that as well. I have a couple other projects I have in mind that want to simplify some of my daily, not workflow, but something I usually do in my life. For example, like update phone bills, keep tracking my stock, investment outcome and stuff. Yeah. And I like to I will record and share those in the future videos. If you're interested, yeah, please make sure you click subscribe button and yeah, thank you.